Hi friends, welcome to Kusumah channel. Today I want to show you one unboxing video. It's a round light for setup for my video creation. This is the this is actually 12 inches light. It's a round light. Of course, it is made in China, and this is very cheap. You know, but the working condition is very nice. Yeah, the face, make face and the easy in beauty, time core extreme, multiple color temperature. It have a different color also. Different color is coming like a soft light and like a little red light. So let's we see to open. Oh, we have too much more. Yes, we have here one. We have one adapter here attached with a mobile. I hope this one. Yeah, it is very easy. Easy to fix. Easy to fix. Yeah, mobile is easy. Yes, and this is the cable. What is this? Oh yeah, this is I think top of the stand. Yes. Actually, I was using my own created light, and I have here a switch, on and off, and minus plus, and I think this they change the color or something. Let's see, we can see after our just try the light, only the light. It's working or not, I don't know. I have to check. Oh, it's working. It's nice working, huh? Yeah, it's good. Then we have to fix this inside. Yeah, the mobile is go like this. Actually, we need to is like this only. Now we have to tight. Yeah, they stay in there. Then we can put the mobile here. Yeah, and what? And this one, this button, this parts we have to fix here. Yeah, this tenable, this very flexible. Let's see, open the stand. This is not. This here. Stand is here. open the lid. And this open. This open. Very suitable. And let's see. We can open fix the light here. I open it, then fix first this one here, go straightly. Exactly. Yes. Now we can go down. We can fix the light here. No. Yes. Yes, they fix it. Successful fix. Yeah, now we can. Yes. I know this more length, but for the show, I just make only very little. Yes. Yes, we can. It's very nice light. It can show my table, soft light, and we can check the. You see, this is very low light, and this going to high, and change the color. Oh, you see, it's little bit different. Blue color. Yeah, this dark. So it is nice. Try this one you also, and I got it from you know online. I buy online new application. New. Anyway, it is nice, and I can make my videos very lightful and very beautiful. So thank you for watching my crafting videos. So this is the best for my table. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.